Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about factoring using the diamond method. And today we're going to try a challenge problem, okay? All right, so we have this problem, x squared plus 87x minus 88. We want to apply the diamond method. Why we can apply the diamond method? Because the value of a is equal to the value of a is equal to 1, right? So we can apply the famous diamond method. Our b value will be equal to 87 and the c value will be equal to negative 88, right? All right, so in the diamond method, what's the first thing that we do? We draw this big X. What goes on top? The c value goes on top and the b value goes in the bottom. So our c value is equal to negative 88 and our b value is 87, right? So the idea is simple. You're looking for two numbers. If we multiply, we're going to get negative 88, but if we add, we're going to get 87, right? So we need those two numbers. Think about it. Now, I understand those two numbers don't look that easy, right? And let's say you don't have a calculator. So how can you find out those two numbers, okay? So I have one advice for you. If these two numbers are consecutive numbers, don't for a problem like this, you don't have to worry about the sign. If those two numbers are consecutive numbers like 87, 88, 91, 92, again, don't worry about that negative sign. If they are consecutive numbers, one of the answer must be either positive 1 or negative 1, okay? Now we do not know. Let's go with positive 1 first, okay? Let's go with positive 1 first, and then we can double check. So one of the answer must be positive 1 or negative 1. So I'm going to call it 1, okay? So now let's try. So 1 times what gives us negative 88, okay? So 1 times, well, negative 88, isn't it? So 1 times negative 88 gives us negative 88. But if we add this 2, am I going to get positive 87? No, so it doesn't make any sense, right? So now let's try. So positive 1 doesn't work. So the next option that we have, maybe it will work for negative 1, okay? So negative 1 times positive 88 gives us negative 88. Negative 1 plus 88 will give us 87. So it makes sense. We found out those two numbers that we were looking for, right? Okay, wonderful. Once you find those two numbers, you're done. So your answer is just going to be x minus 1 and x plus 88, okay? So this is our answer. Our answer is going to be, so x squared plus 87x minus 88 can be written as factors of two term, right? So that's going to be equal to x plus 88 and x minus 1. Now you may be wondering, how do I know my answer is correct? You can always apply the distributive property to double check the answer. So let's check. Let's check. Okay, so x plus 88, x minus 1. So x times x is equal to x squared, x times negative 1 is equal to negative x. 88 times x is 88x. 88 times negative 1 is negative 88. So x squared negative x plus 88x. So they are like terms, we can add them up. Plus 87x minus 88, and we are done. So it does match with this, so that means our answer is correct. All right, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for listening.